It's okay, sweetie. Just try to breathe. You're doing so well.
We're seeing a significant resurgence in pertussis cases, particularly among the unvaccinated.
It was the most frightening thing. He just couldn't catch his breath.
More than 25,000 cases of whooping cough have been reported in the U.S., according to new data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
The pertussis vaccine schedule is crucial for protecting our community, starting with infants and continuing through adolescence and adulthood.